buyers and sellers can win with a buy down strategy in this market. What if you can make a full offer on a house and have the seller pay money to lower your mortgage interest rate? Sound good? Too good to be true? Well, it's not. It's definitely a strategy worth looking at for buyers, sellers, and agents. We all know there's a lot of uncertainty and volatility in today's market. Inflation and rising interest rates put pressure on everybody. But before you give up the idea of buying or even selling your home right now, let's look at a strategy that can be truly a win-win for everybody. Hello, my name is Kevin Brierton. I'm with Neo Home Loans. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how using a mortgage rate buy down strategy can help your offer stand out in today's market. The goal of this strategy is to maximize affordability and submit offers that stand out from the competition. So how does it work? Before we get into the details of submitting an offer and using the buy down strategy, let's briefly talk about the basics of a buy down. So what is a buy down? A buy down is a way for a buyer to obtain a lower interest rate by paying discount points at closing. Discount points may also be referred to as mortgage points or prepaid interest points, and are a one-time prepaid upfront fee. Since mortgage rates are forecasted to continue to rise in 2022, the buy down method can be used as a tactic to allow you to buy a home, lock in the value of the home, and protect it against future rate hikes. So who can buy down a mortgage? Although typically a buyer is who benefits from the buy down, the buyer isn't the only one that buys down a mortgage. Sellers can also be responsible for purchasing points to lower the buyer's interest rate. So let's take a look at how buy down strategy works. As the housing market shifts, so can home prices. While we don't expect the home prices to rapidly decline, there is a slowing in the market. Sellers don't want to lower the list price from their house. So using a buy down strategy can help them maintain the list price of the house while allowing buyers to be able to qualify for the house. It also allows agents to maintain their income. In today's market, it's truly a win-win-win. So let's talk about how a buy down can work using seller concessions. A seller concession is used to the explicit purpose of buying down the interest rate for the buyer. There are many benefits of using a seller concession or seller paid discount points. So let's look at the benefits of using this strategy. This is really what's called a price reduction alternative. This is often the first negotiation strategy that the buyer considers. Instead of submitting an offer at a reduced price, you present your offer at a full price as a buyer of the original asking price. It'll stand out above other offers. Okay, so this is the benefit of this offer. You go at a higher price without reducing the price, and that's going to stand out against other offers. It's a win-win for the seller. You're offering the seller of the home a higher net price of the home in a lot of cases, and the buyer reduces their interest rate and payments. So it's a win-win for the buyer and the seller. And the seller, they get full price of the house, and in turn, they only pay discount points so the buyer can get a lower interest rate. How to write this into the offer. I'm not a realtor. Check with your realtor, or in certain states, your attorney. Seller concessions are designed as bona fide discount points that should be disclosed on the purchase contract. This statement should simply state that all the monies are applied directly towards buying down the interest rate of the buyer. Presenting your offers to seller's agents. So here's something that is we've been doing this for years, and I highly recommend doing this. It's best to have your lender record a video that accompanies the offer package that breaks down the return of investment, or ROI, to the seller, and how accepting your offer is a win-win for both parties. In best case, your lender can get on the phone with the seller's agent and actually talk through it with them and help them understand the offer. here's the deal, bottom line. Agents, sellers, and buyers should at least be aware of what the buy down options are. If the numbers work and the seller's open to a little creativity to make it happen, let's make it happen. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Kevin Brierton with Neo Home Loans. If there's anything I can do to help you understand and leverage the buy down strategy, please give me a call, 480-553-8770, or go to mortgagestrategycall.com, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.